Hey, this is Mark, and this is my business partner Les. We own BT Property Services together, and we were just talking about, we created this company with the goal of serving and adding value to landlord clients. And we still have to be profitable, and we have to be profitable. We hired some of the best skilled guys we can find because our business philosophy is you pay a little bit more for the best. You don't have callbacks. You get high quality repairs done, and so our real sweet spot is doing light remodels on houses that really increase the value and increase the rental rates, etc. And also doing like the full turn after a tenant moves out. You got like 20 things that need to be done. We can get in and out of there in 2 days or less. Saves a week or two. That's huge savings for a landlord. So those are win-wins. But we were sitting here struggling, thinking like, man, our minimum, if we just go out to a property and tighten a towel rack, our minimum is like $150 we have to charge for that. We don't feel great about doing that. So we're trying to spitballing in here, like how do we price it and how do we make sure it's a win for the client? And ultimately, what we're going to do is we're going to obviously keep using outside vendors. If they can do it cheaper for the client, they get the business. And so just want to express the level of integrity, commitment we have to only making good profits in this business and only charging for things where we feel confident we're adding the value. For instance, our guys are so skilled and we've got the proper licensure and insurance that we can do a garbage disposal for $245 where the licensed plumber's $300. We've got electrical expertise and licensing that we can do light electrical. We did a remodel on a kitchen recently for $15,000 when retail that would have been a $30,000 job. So
it looks good.
And it looks great. So we're finding our lane, and just want to express how proud I am of partnering with Les because of his commitment to integrity and only charging profits on stuff that it's a real win-win for the client. You have anything to add to that?
No, you did a great job of that. So.
Okay. All right, just a quick strategy session recap. I wanted to put this out there.